Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a mini haul and I'm really excited because I've been away from YouTube for a while. Took a break, life update. I moved from my old house. If you remember in my previous video, I talked about me and my family having to move. So we've moved and I finally got my nail desk set up. So I'm so happy. I bought this desk from Amazon. Since we're doing a haul, I might as well put the details of the desk in the video. So yeah, I'm so happy, so excited, so grateful to God. So I bought the nail jewelry from AliExpress and I bought everything else from Amazon. I don't know if you noticed that I'd taken a break, but I really did. I needed like time to rest, a few weeks off, and I want to come back with a bang. I've already filmed one video of a set and I think it's honestly the best set I've done so far. It's so pretty, I'm just like so in love. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. I've got a few videos filmed ready to upload, so definitely hit the subscribe button. Let's be friends because I've got a lot of exciting things coming up for you guys. You have no idea. I'm just in such a good mood. I'm so excited, so happy. So I'm just praying that God blesses you all so you guys don't have like 10 times the joy that I'm experiencing right now. Okay, so enjoy the video everyone. I don't want to talk too much. I'll see you towards the end.
I just wanna be ready for the summer. 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 I just wanna be ready for the summer.
Ayo, watch out what you got.
Gotta try, this shit come easy when I'm with my slimes. Yeah, pop a bean, keep my system clean. Been drinking water, be like kerosene. Caught you bustin' a move. I'm just sauce acting stupid. Love just hide on in Cupid. I'm with my dogs, yeah, we groovin'. 4 on the floor, that's a drug I'm abusing. Show you the grass is green or whatever it is your feet on. Music bumping out the speakers. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't stop it. Get this feeling. my friends got my lady right by my side. Always something, yeah, you know the vibe. Speaker bumping got me feeling like
Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.